she's saying that she's a man, but we know. So, welcome to Catfish. MTV's Catfish on Leaf. So we're approaching her apartment right now.
Hello.
Hi, do you know who I am?
No, who are you?
I'm Neve from Catfish.
Who
are you? No! Get back here!
Look through those trees right there. You see the duck?
Oh yeah.
She wanted to test her husband. She knew exactly what to do. Suiting in to fool him. She couldn't have made a worse move. She sent him scented letters, and he received them with a strange delight. Just like his wife, but how she was before the tears, and how she was before the years flew by, and how she was when she was beautiful. She signed the letter, oh yes, babushka, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh yes, babushka, 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 yeah, yeah. She wanted to take it further, so she arranged a place
I'm
to
looking
go
and sliding.
to see if he.
Her. Like someone's gotta.
They have a skate meet and greet. They're old as fuck. Anyways, we're pretending POV. We're on an island right now and we're gonna kill off Abby.
Help us! Go to you're Tony Hawk, and you're about to do an ollie. But I'm gonna show you how to do it without a skateboard because this is for beginners. So first you're gonna from the top make it drop. Pouch.
Okay.
Abby's gonna get in my pouch.
I'm really cozy in here right now. I'm so cozy in here right now. Mommy.
What do you have to say to the people of America? I got a little buddy. He traveled with me everywhere. How dare she take my little buddy? Just roll out. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I want you to be healthy and full of food and love and nutrients.
I have a lot of nutrients
Good.
that I get through
Through what?
chemosynthesis. Have you ever heard of it, bitch?
No.
Javi has to pee real bad. Oh, this girl.
Man, what do you want to be?
I want to be a domestic mother. Put me in a house, baby. Put me in a movie. I want to be Marin's sex
Fall
doll.
for her incognito.